Welcome, viewers, to today's tutorial where I'll walk you through the seamless setup of HTTP injector for all SlowDNS protocols. Before we dive in, make sure you've watched my previous video on creating a SlowDNS server account. You can find the link in the description below. Now let's get started. Head to your mobile app store, download HTTP Injector, and launch the app. Once opened, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Navigate to the right, and you'll see an arrowhead icon. Click on it to explore settings. Choose tunnel type SSH and connection type DNSTT. Save your settings and return to the home screen. Moving on, locate the gear icon. Click on it to access SSH settings. Input the SSH username and password from the server you created earlier, then go back to the main screen. Now, let's fine-tune the DNSTT settings. Click on DNSTT settings to configure its DNS resolver settings. Opt for custom in DNS resolver, and for DNS resolver mode, choose UDP, DOT, or DOH as shown. In the DNS settings section, enter the name server and public key in their respective boxes, information you generated from the server earlier. Once done, go back to the main screen. It's time to connect. Click on the Start button, and there you have it. Your VPN connection is established. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. Until next time.